5 Shaolin Isometric holds to rebuild strength. These 5 Shaolin Isometric holds can rebuild your strength after 55 holds, 5 minutes, 5 times a week. That's all it takes. Do these 5 Shaolin holds and stay strong, stable, and independent for decades. Exercise number 1. Reverse plank. Protect your spine for life. Number 1. The reverse plank. This is your foundation for a spine that stays strong for life. The reverse plank helps undo the effects of sitting all day by pulling your shoulders back and improving your posture. It forces your chest to open up while strengthening your back. This restores your natural alignment with zero impact on your lower back. Here's how to do it. Sit on the floor with your legs straight. Place your hands behind your hips, fingers pointing toward your toes. Press firmly through your palms and heels, lifting your hips until your body forms a straight line. If the full version feels too challenging, start with a forearm reverse plank instead. Aim for 3 sets of 20 seconds. This is how you protect your spine for life. Exercise number 2. Bear crawl hold. Build ageless strength. Number 2. The bear crawl hold. The bear crawl hold is all about full body power. Forces every part of your body to stay engaged, building ageless real-world strength. Your arms, core, and legs work together as one solid unit. It builds a foundation of internal stability that protects your joints from unexpected twists, strains, or falls. Here's how to do it. Keep your hands directly beneath your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Dig your toes into the ground, brace your core, and lift your knees just an inch off the floor. Keep your back completely flat, like a table. Aim for 6 sets of 10 seconds. This is how you become stronger with age. Number 3. The horse stance. Exercise number 3. Horse stance. Build powerful legs in Shaolin philosophy. Your legs are your roots. When your lower body loses power, every step you take sends damaging shockwaves straight into your knees and lower back. The horse stance is the ultimate isometric hold to build powerful legs. It demands intense work from your thighs while actively stretching your hips, building a strong lower body that supports you for decades. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width. Point your toes slightly outward. Drop your hips down. Go only as low as you can comfortably control. Keep your chest tall and your back straight. Breathe deeply. Aim for 3 sets of 20 seconds. Your legs will shake. That's where your foundation gets strong again. Exercise number 4. Warrior 2 pose. Unlock hips and improve balance. Number for the Warrior 2 pose. This is your ultimate tool for better balance and lifelong mobility. Warrior 2 builds lower body strength, opens tight hips, and improves stability. By strengthening the muscles around your ankles, knees, and hips, this pose helps you stay steady on your feet and move with confidence in everyday life. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet wide apart. Turn one foot outward 90 degrees and the other slightly inward. Bend the front knee over the ankle while keeping the back leg straight. Extend your arms to the sides at shoulder height. Keep your torso upright and look over your front hand. Hold for 3 sets of 10 seconds on each side. This is how you reclaim your balance and agility. Exercise number 5. Hollow body hold. Build a bulletproof core. Number 5. The hollow body hold. This is how you build real core strength. It's not for aesthetics, but for a spine that stays stable and protected in every movement. The hollow body hold teaches your core to work like a protective shield by locking your pelvis and ribcage together. You create full body tension that stabilizes your spine and takes pressure off your lower back. Here's how to do it. Lie on your back and press your lower back firmly into the floor. There must be zero space underneath you. Lift your legs just a few inches and raise your shoulders off the ground. If your back starts to arch, simply bring your knees toward your chest. Aim for 6 sets of 10 seconds. This is how you build lifelong stability. Your 5-minute daily routine now. Here's your complete 5-minute daily routine. Reverse plank. 3 sets of 20 seconds. Bear crawl hold. 6 sets of 10 seconds. Horse stance. 3 sets of 20 seconds. Warrior 2 pose. 3 sets of 10 seconds on each side. Hollow body hold. 6 sets of 10 seconds. 5 times a week. That's it. Horse stance is the key to ageless leg strength. If you want to master it the right way, watch this video next. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.